आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So hello my dear students, the question is let mod of zr minus r is less than or equal to r for r is equal to 1 to 3 to the base n, then mod of summation of r is equal to 1 to n z of r is less than. Okay, so how we'll find it? What we have given here is mod of zr minus r, which is less than or equal to r. Okay, so how we'll write it? We'll write summation as this is summation of r is equal to 1 to n zr, right? So we can write this function as less than or equal to, okay, this is less than or equal to summation of r is equal to 1 to n z of r mod of z of r. Okay, we can write like that. So if we add minus 1 and plus 1, what will got? Will got this one is less than or equal to summation of r is equal to 1 to the power n z r minus r. Okay, plus if we add the value, what will got? Summation of r is equal to 1 to the base to 1, which is r, because it is in positive root, so it is only r. Okay, we know that this minus r, which is less than r, right? Here we can see that, students, here we can see that it is less than r. So how we can write the function as less than or equal to summation of r is equal to 1 to n, this one is r, plus we got one more summation of r is equal to 1 to r, this one is also r, so which is equal to, if we'll got twice of summation of r is equal to 1 to n, and this one is, we don't know this one, so how we'll find that? We know that, students, according to the upper value, we know that summation of r is equal to 1 to n, which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus n. We know that, and we know that the value of this one is n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so here what we have, if we calculate this, we have twice n upon n plus 1 divided by 2, right, students? So if we cancel out these two and these, what we are left with? We are left with mod of summation of r is equal to 1 to n zr, which is less than or equal to n plus 1. So that is our solution, students. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।